The Guardian's Choice. We always try to help you to choose the right products. Guardian's Choice presents the 10 best bug zappers. Let's get started with the list. Starting at our listed number 10. The Hemiua electronic indoor bug zapper uses two 10-watt ultraviolet bulbs to attract and kill everything from gnats to mosquitoes. It covers up to 6,000 square feet, making it suitable for residential or commercial use. A detachable chain is provided, so you can hang the unit from a hook. It can also be mounted on a wall, and corners are rounded and padded. However, it is difficult to clean. Next on our list at number 9. The Zetas plug-in comes equipped with a UV LED light that reaches temperature similar to the human body, attracting insects to its high-voltage metal grid. Its low profile makes it well suited for any room, small offices, and RVs. It's made from eco-friendly materials, and included cleaning brush. But it's not as effective in daylight. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The roonac 3-in-1 system is ideal for camping trips. Not only does it annihilate flying critters within a 256 square foot area, but you can also use it as a flashlight or lantern. In addition to 3 levels of brightness, it has an SOS light for emergencies. It's equipped with an IP66 waterproof rating, rechargeable battery that lasts 20 hours, and includes a USB charging port. Our newest choices can only be seen, the Guardian's Choice, or simply click beneath this video to visit. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome videos like this. Next on our list. The Libra Indoor House Zapper instantly attracts and eliminates everything from fruit flies to moths. It offers a 6,000 square foot range and comes equipped with a 2,800 volt grid. This model includes 2 replacement bulbs and can be hung from a wall or placed on a flat surface. It's corrosion-proof and perfect for indoor use. Also, it requires 3 AAA batteries. Moving up our listed number 6. The Flotron BK40D electronic insect killer draws in flying insects from up to an acre with its UV light. An octanol cartridge releases a powerful scent and increases its effectiveness, and clog-free construction helps extend its life. It is crack, rust, and fade resistant. The bulb is easy replacement, and doubles as a decorative lantern. It's backed by 2-year limited warranty. Half up our list at number 5. The Hemiua Lantern lures flying insects with ultraviolet light and annihilates them as soon as they make contact with electrically charged metal grates. It covers up to 1,000 square feet and houses a twist-off tray for easy cleanup. It comes in a plastic housing that's waterproof and weather-resistant, with a suspension ring for hanging. At number 4. Any parent who attends outdoor soccer or baseball games on warm days or evenings will find the Zapit Bug Zapper Racket is useful. It includes a USB charging port and delivers up to 10,000 zaps. Also, this device has a triple layer of mesh to keep fingers safe. It's equipped with the power indicator light and the handle is comfortable to hold. It's good to take camping too. Our newest choices can only be seen, the Guardian's Choice, or simply click beneath this video to visit. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome videos like this. Nearing the top of our listed number 3. The sturdy mesh screen of the Aspectek electronic indoor bug zapper is protect you and your family from accidental contact with the electrical grid. It can be set anywhere inside your home on a flat surface, and the included chain also makes it a cinch to hang it on a wall or from a ceiling. It's accessible to bugs from both sides and includes a removable collection tray. The UV lights are easy to replace. At number 2. With a powerful UV light, the BLACK+DECKER Bug Zapper Lantern draws flying vermin to their death. You can set it on a flat surface or use the included ring and chain to hang it on a pole. It features a clog-proof grid and comes with a removable collection tray. It boasts a waterproof housing and long-lasting bulb. And it can protect up to half an acre. And taking the top spot on our list. If you want to take out your frustrations on trespassing pests, then try the Executioner Pro Swatter Racket, which is like an electrified tennis racket. It runs on 2C batteries, and is both more effective than a fly swatter and makes less mess. It features a large striking area and the power button is easy to press. It kills quickly on contact. Our newest choices can only be seen, the Guardian's Choice, or simply click beneath this video to visit. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome videos like this.